Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. Now, children, as usual, we will continue. I hope, children, you must have written your slip test, workbook. Okay, you must have completed everything. Okay, please be serious. Don't leave anything because you'll get the marks. We'll call you. You have to bring your books. And those who have not taken the books, children, please tell your parents to come and take your books, because I have seen in down that some books are left, right? So please tell your parents to come and take, so that you can complete your work. Okay? Okay, now we'll start new block, block 4, fun and games. Now you know what is fun and games. Previously, in third class, right from small class, you know what is fun and what is games. You will play so many games. First, when you are small child, you will be playing with your toys, right? And then little bit, if you grow big, you will play different types of games, right? Now in these games also you have learnt about indoor games and outdoor games. What is indoor games? Indoor games means in house you can play, right? In house we can play with our parents or brother, sister, or with your family, whatever it is. So, and outdoor, some games you have to play out only. You can't play in your house. Now children, now there is outdoor games and indoor games. Now games in school also used to play, no children. Now we understand, but games in school, large playground we have, right? Second, many players, we need many players. Then like football, cricket, basketball, right? Now games at home, we need less space, few players. Board games like Ludo, Carom, chess. Now I'll show you just small cutting I am having. See here, basketball, showing. Then here Ludo, chess, okay, snakes and ladder, and few games there. Some are indoor and some are outdoor. Now I'll show you nice big cutting, paper cutting. I'll show you. I'll show you cricket game. Here, please see the paper cutting, recent paper cutting. It will be nice. Basketball. Is it clear? Huh? This is football. Right? He is very famous, Messi, football player. And here some cycling they are doing. So they are all outdoor games, children, right? Yes. And now indoor games. Now I am having only carom board. See, children, I am having only carom board here. Indoor games. You also must be having at home, right? And chess. Okay, so many games. Nowadays, children, I think so, you won't be playing all these things. You must be having all video games, right? I showed you outdoor games and indoor games, but I think so nowadays you are very busy with your phones. PlayStation, video games, all electronic games you must be having. This is a new generation. Phone, in your phone you will be playing, I think so. Right, okay, whatever it is, this is what we play the games and have fun. We relax our mind. Why we will play games, children? With our friends, we'll relax our mind and body. Full day though you can't study, no children? Full day you can sit and study? No. We need some break. So in that you need to play. Playing is very important. It is good for health, children. It is very good for health. But now you can't go out, but at home also play, but don't worry your parents and your sisters and brothers. Don't fight also, right? Just play and have a fun, right? Or sometimes we'll read some books also, children. Some books, story books, right? Okay, now this is what the fun and the games. We have fun and games. Okay. Children, open your reader, page number 28. Fun and games. Here, what do you do when you are bored? How would you feel if you only studies for long hours? Just now I explained you. In order to be healthy and happy, we must have some fun. Playing games and going to a circus or a fair are ways to have fun. You can see this picture, children. Kho-Kho is a well-known game played in India. Games played in school and at home. Just now I showed you on board also. Now you can see this how they are playing Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a popular game in Indian schools. There are various types of games that we play in school and at home. Schools generally have a big playground where students can play games like Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, football, basketball, hockey, cricket and table tennis. This everything we are having, no children, in our school? Used to play, no? Most of these games need nets, bats, rackets, hockey sticks, special table and large spaces which we may not have at home, something we don't have at home. These games also need many players which we may not find at home. We need many players. For example, cricket, not 2 or 3 people, but we need so many players, 11 players we need. We usually play board games like Ludo, chess, Carom I showed you. Here, Carom it is. This is Chinese whispers something. And hide and seek. Yes, hide and seek. Chupa Chupi will play, na? Huh? We can play these games easily without using nets, bats or big playgrounds. We play these games with our family members and friends. We learn the rules of the games from our elders or others at home. So every game we are having rules. Okay, we follow the rules and we play. Sometimes we make our own games and rules to play them also. Right? Okay. In your workbook, children, S1, page 24. Different games. Question 1. Tick the games that can be played at home. Listen very carefully. You have to put tick mark where you are playing at home. Circle those that are played only in school. So whichever games you are playing in school, you have to do circle. And whichever games you are playing at home, you have to put tick mark. You know tick mark, no? Right mark. Small right mark, no, don't do big. Underline those which you think can be played both at home and in school. Sometimes some games we can play at home also and in school also. For that you have to underline. You know underline, no? Yes or no? Okay. Now first is cricket. What you will do? Circle. It is school game. Then at ground. Badminton. Badminton you can play at home also and school also. Ludo. Tick mark. Badminton underline, children. Ludo, tick mark. Carom, tick mark. Football, circle. Basketball, circle. Kabaddi, circle, round. You understood? Circle, like this. This is underline. Chess, tick mark. This is tick mark. Chess is tick mark. Snakes and ladder, tick mark. Table tennis, circle. Hockey, circle. Hopscotch, underline. You can play it out also and at home also. Second question, fill in the table with 3 reasons for each. Now, table form this is table form, children. First is, some games are played in school. Some games played in school. Because, we have to write first point, second and third. Second column, some games are played at home. Because, again 1, 2 and 3 points you have to write. Now here, first one, number first. You know to write point twice, na? 1 minute. I'll show you. First point. You understood this. This is also first point. Now first point, a school has a large playground here. Second point, a school has nets, rackets, bats, table tennis, etc. Third point, a school has many players to participate in games. It is there in your reader, children. Please read from your reader. Okay. Now second column, first point, these games require less space to play. Okay. Second point, they do not need nets, bats, rackets, table tennis. Please put commas there, etc. etc. Third point, they generally don't require more than 2 to 4 players. They need only less players, 2 players. Sometimes you will play individually also. Third question, when can you not play outside even if you have a big playground and many players? When, children? Can you guess this? I hope you understood. Now I'll tell you the answer. When the weather is bad, sometimes weather is bad and there is rain. Nowadays, how heavy rain is falling. Can you go out and play, children? No. Or storm outside, or when it is too hot or too cold, that time also you can't go to playground and play, children, right? That time only we don't play, right? Children, is it clear? Everything I told you, children. Please work hard. Write. I know you are writing. Okay, children. All the best, children.